So we just got home from Sydney. It's about 2:30 or 2:15, and I drove the whole way. I'm so tired. I'm gonna have a quick shower before I go to bed. We didn't end up sleeping there. We changed our plans. We ended up coming home. So exhausted. No, I'm not naked. So if that's what you're thinking.
Marora soi fo ne te au fo sa patere li. Yo ni te au yo. Ngona lava le vai o tino. Te rumai lana po le 2 AM va veao. Na te rumai lava. Faisin malo long fa te tari ta along al man. Ya, wa pula umi fo ni te au. Ai ngau le pula o fai ingal man sa mo. Ye lao fea lai fo ni te au. A sia kia kuia mea konga le isa o le ngalo le whaausi o I sing. Whaausi whaaka. Se kan pe panga mai. Wa me kan pe pa. Sko ingare o I singi le se konga le isa ai ku mako whaausi. Koe whaasa ungi o vo I koe o au mai mea ai rei o I sing. Pea se mea le au uli. Au ro ngā solo mo fai tangatai o lok. Ya reo moe o vai ke lako.
So I've ordered my cake now, and I'll go pick it up in about 20 minutes. I'm just going to go and hang out the washing my husband's work clothes. I had a really late morning. I went to bed really late last night, about 5 AM. We got home at about 1:45. Sorry, 2:15. I really don't want to do the whole subtitle thing for his segment, so I'll just briefly explain it if I can remember what he said. For those of you who don't understand Samoan, my husband said that we got home at around about 2 and had a little rest, woke up for the Manu Samoa game. Yesterday I did talk about Siaosi, and we left it in Sydney in my uncle's freezer, and we brought back something else that was in a container similar to the Siaosi bag that we had. So we brought back his potatoes and left our Siaosi, and my husband said that him and my dad were going back to Sydney to go and get it. No. And all I can think about is the petrol that's going from them going and coming back. It's not nice. Okay. Wa ova kelela kofia ai Siaosi mari koe o le singi koe piki mai Siaosi. So it's 10:30 as I mentioned, and I'm just cooking my dinner, which is sausages. I don't eat seafood, so I don't like elangi. Don't like any type of fish. And that's finished. Oh, Siaosi. Is this taro? Pumpkin Siaosi. We are so failed. But there's one thing we don't fail at, and that's eating. This is so bad for us. It's about 11 o'clock, 11:05, and we're finally just eating dinner. Sausage, rice, and I put a little bit of mustard seed mixed with hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce. So we didn't end up going to Woolies, and we didn't end up having the cake. I had ordered it, but I didn't have my car, and by the time my car got here, it was like 5:30, so it was going to close at 6 because I wanted to get it from the cheesecake shop. And then I had plans to get it from Woolies, which didn't eventuate because I fell asleep and I woke up at about 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. And I went to bed at like 4:30 because I was so exhausted from the whole night before and not going to bed until I think it was like 5 o'clock or something like that. And we just finished having sausages and rice, and we had plans to go to Woolworths, our local supermarket, which closes at 12, to get a cake and get some things for my husband's lunch tomorrow, because I think it's going to be hot tomorrow, babe.
Huh?
I think it's going to be really hot tomorrow.
Why?
So I need to get him some sunscreen because, you know, he can't afford to go any darker than what he is. But yeah, I promise we'll celebrate though next weekend, because we only vlog on Saturdays and Sundays because of our employment commitments. We both work full-time, and I think I've established the days on when we'll be posting a video. I think it should be every Sunday and Tuesday, so that the days in between give me a day time frame to edit and upload the video.
Ja, det er lav sang for mor I på. Ja, sau lo vai le laval moi. Ja, kau le mola mo le lavavo. Ja, si yo kai au fo ngano me usufu. Ja, ngai lava mo me umman nge yaso. Yo po ya kai fo. Ya lo fare ku mo. Wa ya ku le angin ko si ya mo ko ngi po to si to mo fai o ko finga malulungan ngi po. E na fo ma to ni. Ya lo fa ma wa mo ko ma la lo like ma subscribe mo. O ngi video. Lo fa mo ko. Ya tai lava.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.